Read them in the comment section, my people. Get this to the 1,000 likes. This is good news, breaking news. Ninjaman's lawyer speak out. Me have the audio phone. It's Protection Friday. Subscribe, share the video, my people. Now I do too much talking. Listen to this.
From 1999 to 2018, you can't rehabilitate yourself. Why are you looking at the past? A lot of people, a lot of us have past, don't we? Yeah, man, move beyond the past to who you really are. Because that's what life is about. You don't always do the right thing when you are young. And it is commendable that he has corrected his path. I find it commendable. You are judged by man, and man can be error. I was really very emboldened by my client's response. When I went to see him after the verdict, he said to me, "Miss, God knows why I'm sending me down Tower Street. I continue my work with the man them down there who have fire gun, and I'll give up." A verdict can be challenged, and we will be doing that because we find that it can be challenged, and it's challenging. And we believe in ninjas, in a sense. Those out there who don't believe, matter for them. I believe.
The time that are Ninjaman's lawyers, and this is good news. This is breaking news, and it's looking like more and more and more that Ninjaman is going to walk. There are certain problems that needs to be identified. Yes, which the main one is the alibi. The alibi, my people. Now, what legal representatives are arguing is that Vibes cartel situation is mirroring Ninjaman's own, and they're saying that his past is being used against him. You hear that already, but bet you never hear this one. They're also saying that based on Ninjaman's mentions within the court and mistrials, they're saying that his alibi, the witness testimony, is being compromised. You need to hear about that. Yes, they're arguing, Ninjaman's lawyers, which includes, of course, condolences goes out to Valerie Robertson. You understand, she's no longer part of the team. But Robert Fletcher and others, which compromise the group of lawyers of Ninjaman, are saying ultimately that they don't care who don't believe. They believe that Ninjaman is going to be freed, and they're confident. Everybody were confident, and you say freedom, drop freedom in the comment section. Press the like button right now. You understand? Drop a like on the video, my people. Yes, me go drop the full audio phone. So no button, no shuffle, no go, no come. Me go play the full audio phone. You understand, everybody? So yes, I will play the full audio for you. Now, the 2nd of the 6th is the big day. You understand, everybody? And his lawyers are ready. Now, the alibi, that is, a witness can testify that Ninjaman on the day in question was in Mandeville and not at the location where they're saying he was on the day in question. Yes, in the address that the court documents revealed. My people, possible, they're saying that Ninjaman's case has been prejudiced by the judge. They're saying there is clear cases of prejudice within Ninjaman's case, and there is a possibility of a lawsuit if he walks. Remember, me did already not telling us, say, you're watching from the day Ninjaman was convicted, paperwork already put together for him got a privy counsel. So we now worry about that. His lawyers, Robert Fletcher, and past work from Valerie Robertson that are comprised in transcripts are already prepared to challenge the conviction to have Ninjaman freed. You understand? Saying, and of course, his case was being spearheaded by Valerie Robertson, of course. You understand? Alright? But a lawsuit can be pending in the near future if Ninjaman is released in this situation in the form of course, a mistrial. Yes, if it was wrongful conviction, he is going to be released. Remember, my people, some of the conditions that Ninjaman is facing are unsanitary conditions. Ninjaman has, of course, been in health predicaments, minor health predicaments, you know what I mean, in the past. So it is their utmost importance to have him released to get the best of health. You understand? The lawyers are now saying since 1991 until now, Ninjaman has managed to change his life. So there is no way ultimately that Ninjaman should be judged in this matter. his alibi will confirm. But the mentions within the courts now say that compromised his alibi, which can testify and remove Ninjaman from the scene. Apparently, there's an alibi which said that Ninjaman on the day in question was in Mandeville. So, with that being said, my people, the 2nd of the 6th, and he now returns to the Court of Appeal in the 2nd of the 6th. I'm going to drop the full audio for my people. Everybody drop a like on the video. Comment freedom for Ninjaman right now. This is breaking news. This is good news. His lawyers are confident. You understand that if it is indeed that the judge ultimately decided to use his pass against Ninjaman, he has been rehabilitated. They're saying that Ninjaman's pass should not be used against him, and his pass is his pass. But drop a like on the video, comment freedom, my people. I'm going to play the rest of the audio for my people. Stick and stay. Listen to this, everybody.
From 1999 to 2018, you can't rehabilitate yourself. Why are you looking at the past? A lot of people, a lot of us have past, don't we? Yeah, man, move beyond the past to who you really are. Because that's what life is about. You don't always do the right thing when you are young. And it is commendable that he has corrected his path. I find it commendable. You are judged by man, and man can be in error. I was really very emboldened by my client's response.
Everybody press the like.
When I went to see him after the verdict, he said to me, Miss, God knows why I'm sending me down Tower Street. I continue my work with the man them down there who are fire gun, me now give up. A verdict can be challenged, and we will be doing that because we find that it can be challenged, and it's challenging. And we believe in Ninja's innocence. Those out there who don't believe, matter for them.
All right.
I believe.
So this is big news. And now to go in the form of the article, you hear everything what they're saying, the issues that they're facing. Now it must be known that Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, which is I mentioned earlier, is going to be one of the panel of judges, of course, that is going to be there judging Ninjaman's case. Alright, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, be familiar with that name. That is one of the panel of judges that ultimately gave Vybz Kartel his big decision to not go for a retrial based on the time spent already. You understand? So things look good for him. Comment freedom, press the like button, everybody share the video. You understand? Alright, let's get into the details now of the article that is now Ninjaman's case on the 2nd of the 6th, everybody. You need to stay tuned, okay? Yes. Now let's go, of course, in the article, which the source comes from the Jamaica Observer. Alright, everybody. Now, incarcerated dancehall DJ Ninjaman, or dancehall star Ninjaman, will return to the Home Circuit Court on June 2nd as his legal team presses ahead with the appeal of his murder conviction. Now, attorney at law Robert Fletcher confirmed that the Border Clash DJ will return to court, but did not reveal any details about the strategy of the legal team. No strategy is being released or told because the only strategy is to make him walk. Release him. You understand? Now, the team is going through transcripts and now noting the discrepancies of conflicting testimonies so that they can mount a formidable defense, a source told the Observer. Now, Ninjaman's conviction, his appeal, was impacted negatively by the sudden illness, of course, of Valorinita Robertson. Of course, yes. Now, he expressed himself about how he feels about Valorinita Robertson. Also, no, they're saying that an argument developed between Johnson and friends, and the men who left later returned with guns blazing. And this is for the dropping of Ricardo Ricky Trooper. They are also arguing that the length of the delays by the Jamaican court system deprived Ninjaman of the alibi witness and what would have made a great defense. Instead, we had to challenge the credibility of the prosecution's witness about being able to produce witness to substantiate Ninjaman's argument. Good news. Drop a like on the video, share the video, my people. Comment freedom. We have more to come. Stay tuned. Protection Fridays it is. Don't go away. So far.